WolfSteel buildings, and we just finished pouring this 28 by 85 slab. So we're doing a Weld Up metal building, and we're going to be talking about the building that we're building on here, as well as taking a tour on this new slab that we just poured yesterday here in Kaufman, Texas. But before, let me show you guys, we got new gear now going on. We're going to be giving away some free hats, so stay tuned. And our new pack member just got a transformation, so check it out. If you see me out on the road on this Ranger, you can wave, say hi. You're gonna see me in the roads of Texas. So let's get straight to business. Let's talk about this concrete slab. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So that way I can continue to create videos. Let's get this going. Got this 28 by 85 new slab that we just poured yesterday. So I'm actually going to show you guys on the screen the building that we're building here. So you should be seeing it right now. It's got a section that is going to be a porch, and that's going to be on this side right here. And then over there is where it's the enclosed section of it. It's a very, very popular type of Texas building, where you got a porch to kind of drive up your car, drive up your vehicle and keep it outside with the shade, and then your enclosed section. So I'm going to show you guys this concrete slab, because this is super important. When you're building the concrete for your metal building, it's like, you know, getting the right size shirt for your body. And if it can connect very well, you can have a really good slab that can work very well for your building, basically to not have any water come in. So let me talk about all those details, and that's something that I'm gonna try to teach you guys today. So on this section, we have the porch section, okay? And on that section is going to be the enclosed section. So what we wanna do is not have any water come into the enclosed section, and that's why we did this notch work. So like every standard building that we do, we always do the 1.5 inch notch, and so the panels will overlap and sit on this side of the notch, and therefore no water will come in. But since this section is enclosed from here forward, that's why we extended the notch, and so all the panels will sit on the outside of this. And the porch section also has a little slope, that way all the water runs off that way. We also did a notch for the overhead doors, that way the overhead door is sitting on the bottom section. And that's how you should do your slab, or at least a recommendation on how to do your slab if you have a part garage and a part porch section. And I'm going to show you guys another approach section over there, which is very, very similar. And the white stuff that you see, that's called the fluorescence. So as it's curing, the vapor that's coming out of the slab starts bringing up the salts. And that normally just washes away by itself through time. Or you can even put some acid to try to clean it, but it cleans it by itself through time. So what you see here is, this is really a steel plate. This is how we're going to be you know, welding, starting the weld up process. So from here we will weld up the beams or the posts, depends on your project what we're going to be using. Our customer did run some plumbing, some electricity, so that's why he has already some rough in. We do still have the form, if you can see here, and that's just basically if there's any leaking on the plumbing or anything, the water just goes in and it doesn't spread out throughout the slab. So right here what you're seeing is an approach. So this is an approach. It's got a minor slope to water to run away. And then that's the, there's gonna be an 8x8 roll-up door here. So we did the notch work here for the doors. That way no water will seep in. The roll or the door is gonna be sitting on the bottom section. So there are two types of finishes that I can show you here. For our garage sections, we normally do a smooth trowel finish. And then on the approaches, like most driveways, is the broom finish. And this is a little bit more rougher, that way you don't really like slip. And so this is very, very common for driveways. And in the garage section, it's a trowel smooth finish. Well guys, I hope you learned a little bit more how to do your slab. I think it's super, super important when you're doing your concrete work that it matches your building. So if you're doing a slab, I recommend you to show your concrete contractor, you know, the building that you're building, and really trying to make sure that your slab matches with your building so you don't have any water seeping in. That's the most important thing, and one of the biggest headaches that I see when the concrete work is not done the right way. So I hope you learned something new, and stay tuned, because on this project we're going to be showing you guys how the whole weld up process, the whole building as well, and we're going to be doing spray foam. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys next video.